Ideation, Interior and Furniture Design by Nitte School of Architecture, Planning and Design. What do you understand by interior designing and how would you want to define it? In simple words, the art or job of choosing colors, furnitures, carpets, etc. to decorate the inside of a house. It's considered as a multifaceted profession, which also means a lot of aspects to consider in order to bring the design to life. In order to create a good design, it's always important on how we consider and use 7 elements: space, line, form, light, color, texture, and pattern. In the further slides, we will be looking at the importance of interior design, principles of interior design, and how important furniture is in interior design. Importance of interiors in the current world. By definition, the role of an interior designer is to create beauty, comfort, and functionality by playing with light, space, color, materials, and furniture, all while keeping the client's wishes and constraints on top of the mind. Our surroundings have an enormous impact on the way we behave and feel. Therefore, interior designing comes into play in creating pleasant surroundings. Coming to how interior designing is important, it adds functionality to a space. It gives character to a space, which helps in creating a mood which can be altered for different situations. The design can be created which fits the client's preferred aesthetics. It can help in better circulatory space in an area and help with proper spatial utilization. Lastly, it also helps in increasing the comfort level of a place. Basic principles of interior designing. Principles of interior design are achieved through the application of the elements of design. The principles are proportion, scale, balance, rhythm, emphasis, and style. Proportion is the ratio between the size of one part to another. Proportion has a huge impact on the functionality of a space. It is all about the general size of the objects and can change the entire look and feel of a room. Color, space, and style shows you how to get proportions right every time. Scale refers to the relationship between two or more objects. One that has a more commonly known size. In most cases, the size of objects is compared to human scale. It can be seen and divided into 3 categories: human scale, monumental scale, and miniature scale. The majority of spaces have one goal, that is visual balance. The size, color, texture, and shape of an element can change its visual weight. Balance can also be achieved in 3 ways: symmetrically, asymmetrically, and radially. Rhythm can be thought of as a pattern in movement. Rhythm can be applied to interior spaces as a way to introduce order, interest in focus, and help lead your eye through a room. Rhythm can be achieved by repeating any of the elements of design. Rhythm can also be achieved through progression. Emphasis: elements must be used in such a way that the focal point dominates the rest of the decor items and pulls the room together. Other items that surround the focal point must complement the latter and share a contrast that puts the focal point in the top priority. Style is evolved over a period of time. According to the use of various interior designing elements, they can be used solely or in combination. Some of them are modern minimalistic style, classic style, rustic style, etc. How important is furniture in interior design? The backbone of interiors. An empty room is a blank canvas on which interiors can create their masterpiece. Adding lamps, mirrors, pictures, and other accessories, the furniture you choose will be the dominant feature. Choosing the right type of furniture suitable with the aesthetic we are going for is important. Decoration is a key element as it enhances the furniture spread across the house. Choosing the right quality of furniture as it has to give us the return of investment and run for a longer time. It enhances the space. The most integral part of the house interiors is the presence and mobility of the furniture. The wide-ranging variety of furniture from chairs, tables, beds, and their further type divisions bring out the overall attire of your house. The grace and beauty of the house are complete with the placement of furniture as a part of the decor or either as a utility. Comfort at its best. Furniture makes your life easier and provides you with warmth in the house. The presence of furniture gives you an ease of mind towards the utility and styling, hence a peaceful and at ease experience as a whole. Purpose of utility. The endless categories of furniture make us want more to our endless utility and comfort. Tables ranging from center tables to coffee tables are picked up for their specific purpose and utility. We have a wide variety of things open in the market for us to understand how each of it is so different from one another and open up for a purpose of utility list for us to choose from. Circulation and flow of space. The movement along the furniture placement throughout the house somehow divides the space categories, hence defining areas. The furniture ensures a flow of space with its placement in terms of the arrangement and utility areas. Whether it is movement around the group gathered furniture setup or individually laid down furniture, gives enough seating, standing, and space ideas.